Hey everybody, Tanya from Shooting Star SVG back, and today I am going to talk about how to use videos on your Etsy listings. So if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as it does keep me motivated to continue making these videos so that way you can grow your business and change your life. Today I wanted to discuss a new feature on Etsy that has been out for a little while in regards to creating videos for you to utilize on your Etsy store. And so I just wanted to cover how I do this and go through an example so that way you guys can utilize the same techniques and add a little pop to your Etsy listings as they are rolling out this new feature, and a lot of people have been asking about it. So I'm going to go ahead and move on over to my computer screen so you guys can see what I'm working with, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I have PLACEIT up right now, and this is what I use to create the video mock-ups for Etsy listings. And I've just been playing around with a few, to be honest with you. I haven't really had a ton of time to create mock-ups for these, but PLACEIT has a ton of mock-ups, not just for the video realm, but also apparel and different housewares and things of that nature. So to get there, you're going to click on apparel videos and this will load up, okay? And then you can basically just scroll through and choose one that you would like. And so I have chosen this one. And so based off of recent trending, I have decided to go down the beaten path of creating a bunch of pot SVGs or marijuana SVGs, whatever, because it has been a trending topic. So I spent the weekend designing a bunch of stuff, and I thought that this particular mock-up would be kind of cute for that. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize this for one of my newer designs, okay? And so when this pops up, you will see the actual first, slide, so to speak. And basically, you can play this without, the mock-up on there, and it will show you what that looks like. And so I am going to just close out of this, and I'm going to click on Upload Image. Now, the biggest thing to remember here is that you need to use the PNG type because that will have the transparent background. So make sure you're utilizing that. And quality at this point doesn't really matter because you're really looking for a 72 DPI ratio. So let's see here. I'm going to do this one, and I'm like laughing because this is just like totally outside of the realm of what I normally do, but here we are. Click on crop once you get that situated where you want it to be, and it will upload onto your mock-up here, and it will go ahead and load up the preview, and that looks pretty good. I need to go ahead and change the shirt color and see kind of what that looks like, and that's pretty cute. I might want to bring it up a little bit more, but for the purposes of this, I'm going to go ahead and click play to see if I'm satisfied. And it's going to take just a few minutes for that to prepare, as it will basically take your design and the mock-up video that they have and kind of mash them together. So depending on your internet connection, it may take a few minutes for this to process through so you can actually see what it looks like. So we'll just give it a second here and come back when it's ready. Video's ready, and you can see here that girlfriend is chilling with the Get Lit shirt on, and it looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download, and what that will do is it will start downloading, and I will get an email when this is ready, or it will tell me in my notifications that everything is all set, okay? And again, this depends on your internet connection, but we'll go ahead and wait for this, and then while we're waiting, I'll go ahead and pause it and we can get the Etsy listing set up, okay? Okay, so I am over here on my listing, so I'm just going to go back over to my computer screen so y'all can see what I'm working with, and we'll go from there. So here is the listing for the Get Lit, okay? You can see I don't have anything for mock-ups in here right now because I just haven't had time and wanted to get them up. But when you scroll down, you'll see that the beta of the video is available for you to use. And you can add a video that has a file size of less than 100 megabytes, okay? And you see here on this quick note, which is really important to look at here, is that 50% of Etsy buyers will see your videos in an experiment we're currently running, okay? So what this tells me is that right now, if you have a video on your listing, Etsy is going to bump that up in the search algorithm. So my plan for today is to go through and get some videos on all of my most recent listings, so that way I can see if what they're saying is actually true or not. Regardless, I have the mock-up downloaded right here, so I'm just going to drag this over and drop it in, and then it's going to go ahead and get the video ready, which depending on the file size will take a few minutes. So we'll just wait for that to be done. Okay, there we go. It's really close to being done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on publish, and then what we'll do is we will see what this looks like in the actual listing now that this is published. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and basically this is going to load up the video. My internet connection is a little bit slow right now because my office computer is on, and you can see this this going, and it actually looks really, really good. Mind you, it doesn't fill up that whole panel, but the ratio seems to be fine as far as tallness goes, and it just looks really good. So that's all there really is to it, y'all. I just wanted to go through and show you how quick and easy it is to create these listing videos with PLACEIT. I do have a link in the description for y'all to go ahead and give that a go. It is an affiliate link, so I will get a little bit of a commission from you going through that link versus going through somewhere else, but that will not change the price for you. If you got something out of this video, go ahead and click on like and subscribe below, as that will keep you updated on all of the videos that I post, so that way you can grow your business and change your life. And it keeps me motivated to kind of keep going. If you have any questions about how this process works, let me know. You can also create these videos if you've done physical end products and you want to take a video with your phone or something like that. So keep that in mind. And like I said, if you need any help with it, just give me a holler and I'll catch you guys later. See ya.